Handa na ba kayo ma-fulfill ang ultimate cosplay fantasy nyo?
Well, if that's the case, Flippers.com just launched its first ever online show, which will feature cosplayers at their finest. And trust me, they're fine.
Tara, silipin natin ang Alodia's fantasy.
Let's go, guys!
Alodia's fantasy is a fantasy of mine. Joke lang. Anyway, yeah, it's a dream to have a show like this all about cosplay, and it's not just about me. It's about these cosplayers here to showcase their talent.
Mga Saberkadas, ito na yun. The greatest superhero of all time. Trademark niya, Red the Brief na nakalabas. Superman!
Ta-da-dan!
Superman na Superman. Grisha, you have any questions for Superman?
Can you...
Read your mind?
With you?
Can I read your
Can
mind?
you carry her?
Oh
Here
my
you go,
gosh!
guys.
So, ang question ko po, bakit po blue ang eyes ninyo?
Those are my real eyes.
Oh my gosh!
It's a good thing no one here has script tonight.
Gano'ng katagal ka na nagko-cosplay?
Actually, 1.5 years.
1.5.
Wow.
Bakit, ano ang nagpa-trigger sa'yo ng mga into sa cosplay?
Nakilala ko siya nung nag-OJT ako. Tapos yun, naging interested ako.
How do you get your costumes nga pala?
Yung iba pinapagawa, yung iba ginagawa namin.
Wow, so
Ano,
kayo
ano yung ginawa mo sa costume mo dito?
Ito lang.
Yeah. Bakit po kayo ganun ka, like, parang competitive pagdating sa cosplay? Ano po nakukuha niyo?
Actually, it's a hobby. It's both of our passion.
Paano ipapakita yung galing? Like that.
You have to show, for example, yung dedication ninyo sa craft, yung costume nyo, if it's the best you can do, you have to make it the very best. And yung character portrayal nyo, it's so important. Never forget that it's half the character that makes the costume.
Yeah, I started cosplaying since I was 12 years old, and I am now the youngest professional cosplayer in the Philippines.
Wow, bakit sa lahat ng iyong gagayahin,
Pwede ka ba
bakit
tahiramin?
robot pa? Oo, syempre. Bakit robot?
Ay, hanggang sa ulo lang.
Mo?
Justin Bieber.
malakas siya.
Kaya mo ba tayo abatin? High five.
Cosplay is a way of expressing your fantasy through clothes at sa pamamagitan ng paggaya ng iba't ibang characters.
So yan, tulad ni Alodia at marami pang iba. Mga Sabercats, guys, just express yourself.
Yeah, ito po si Krisha
And John, dito sa Hey, It's Saturday!